Hello everyone and welcome to Eleanor's Hearty Home. Today I'm going to show you how to make those quick, easy and delicious salmon fish cutlets. To a blender, add the salmon pieces, give it a short blend, don't over blend it because you don't want it to become a paste, you still want to have some fish chunks. Remove the fish into a bowl. To the same blender, no need to wash, we're going to add the next ingredients: onion, garlic, ginger and oats. The oats are instead of the breadcrumbs. Blend it well. If it's hard to blend it, you can just add egg or a little bit of oil to give it some moisture so it's blended easily. Next we will add lemon zest, salt and pepper, 1 egg and some chopped cilantro. Mix it well till it's combined and we're gonna make our cutlets. Take some of the fish mixer and shape it into a flat oval shape. Put it into the hot oil and fry. When the side get golden and the top look dry, it's time to flip it to the other side and cook it until it's golden. Put it over a bounty so it soaks extra oil. For more recipes, please subscribe and share. If you have any question, please don't hesitate. Comment below and I will help you out. How good does it look? So soft. So good.